Today I'm gonna show you how to make a wonderful booster for your immune system. It is honey, curcuma and garlic. In the cold days of the winter, in order to stay healthy and fight cold, you're going to take a spoon of that wonderful honey, curcuma and garlic. Start your day with it and never have cold again. I've been doing this for years. And you drink that. What a great way to start the day. To make our magical immune booster or syrup, we need curcuma, lots of garlic, and good quality honey. With the fork, we need to puncture our garlic like that into a clean jar that will take about 400 milliliter of liquid. We need about 25 grams of curcuma. Onto that we're going to put a bit of honey. For starter, 1 spoon, and we're going to dilute it with our curcuma. Once our honey and curcuma are fused together, we're going to add our garlic. Now that our jar is full of garlic, we're going to top it off with honey. Carefully. Once the honey has settled into the jar, we're going to close and put on a kitchen counter, not in the fridge. It's been a week now and our potion syrup is ready. Let's take it and enrich our immune system.